Hey guys, welcome back to JKM Tech Hustle. This is Vanessa. In this video, I will guide you through the process of making online PAGIBIG contributions using GCash. Are you self-employed or switching to online freelancing? Perhaps you were previously employed and made PAGIBIG contributions through deductions from your salary. However, when you decided to resign, your PAGIBIG contributions ceased as it was your employer's responsibility to pay for these contributions. If that is the case, then this video is for you. If you wish to remain an active PAGIBIG member and continue contributing, you can become a voluntary member or other known as individual payer. Please note that the process of updating your status cannot be completed online. A visit to the nearest PAGIBIG branch is essential for this task before proceeding with online payments. So you must visit PAGIBIG branch in person to update your members' data record. This update is crucial because it switches your status from employed to self-employed. This change enables you to take charge of your contributions and paying them independently online. So obtain and fill up the MCIF form. If you have access to printer, you can download the members change of information form or MCIF provided in the link of the description box below. After downloading the form, fill up the necessary details. Alternatively, if you don't have printer, you can obtain the MCIF form directly from PAGIBIG branch and just fill it up and complete it on site. So what you need to do with this form is you just have to check this change of membership category and then fill up the rest of the needed or important details. Armed with the filled out form, visit the local PAGIBIG branch and bring along your valid IDs for verification purposes. Once you have successfully updated your status and filled out the required form, you will be ready to move forward with your contributions online. Another thing to note is this: you cannot edit any information online. That's why you have to go to your nearest PAGIBIG branch for any changes of your information because doing it online is not possible. So first I want to check and know if what month do I need to pay. So as per checking the last month that I paid as an individual payer is June 2023. That means I need to pay for July 2023. So after everything is updated, we can now proceed on making payments online. To assist you further, let's move forward to the tutorial on how to pay your PAGIBIG contributions online using GCash. So let's go ahead and open our GCash app and click on Bills and then Government. And then type PAGIBIG, the first option, use the first option. Then input the amount. Type its members contribution. Input the account number. So you just have to input the rest of the important information in the tabs like your 12-digit number, period coverage. Mine is July 1, 2023 to July 31, 2023, the email address, and then this, you don't need to check this because it's gonna charge you a additional 7.51. So no need for this. After after you fill up all the tabs, you just click on proceed and it will take you into this page. You have to double check and confirm if all the information is correct. So you just had to make sure the everything's correct, especially your account number, the coverage, your email address, and once everything's correct, just click on confirm. And then you get the payment confirmation. So after 3 days, I check online to see if my payment went through, and yes, it reflected and it's now posted in my account. Yes, it takes 3 days, so please be patient. And that will be all. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of online pag-ibig contributions via GCash. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you again in the next session. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.